Oh, man. I thought I was maybe stuck in there forever. What's going on? I have no idea. Wait, I really don't. Anybody have any idea what's going on? Because I don't know what's going on. Put me down. I don't like. Where are they taking Steve? Don't know where I'm going.
Hey man, go back to sleep. I know what I'm talking about here.
Hey, do you guys hear something?
Whoa! Who's that guy?
What happened?
I can't believe he came down.
What's he doing?
He fit down the chimney? How?
Guys,
what's he have in that bag?
He's leaving presents. Wow, he's a really nice guy.
Wow, that's really neat. What's he doing?
He's coming over here. I wonder who he is.
Wow, that's really neat.
Hey there, big guy. Where's he taking Steve?
Hey, where are you taking me? Where are you going?
No, not me! No, not me! No, please, no! Why? Oh, it hurts. Oh, why?
Hey, Jack, how's it going? Not too bad, you know, the usual. You got any big plans for the weekend? Not really. I just figured I'd sit around, you know, take it easy. Nice. Whoa, hey, who's this? What? What is she doing? Ooh, be careful with that. That looks sharp. What are you doing, lady? Lady, you should put that down.
Hey, lady, I think you should be careful.
She's stabbing me! No! Please! Ow! Oh! No! Please stop! Ow! Stop! Please! No! It's on the bottom of me! No! Make it stop! Ow! No, not my eye!
Jibjab!
Hey, Steve, so who do you think's gonna win the big game today? My team. I'm gonna win that 25 cents you bet, and you're gonna wish you had your quarterback. Hey, who's this guy? What's he doing? Yeah. Whoa, hey, put me down. What? Ow! Ow! Ow!
This is ridiculous. I'm not gonna stand for this anymore.
Hey, move over. You're crowding me. No, you're crowding me. Ugh, your breath is tart. Yeah, well, your mom was a tart. Hey, don't talk about my mom that way.
I'm in the way?
Guys,
No,
settle down.
you're in the way. Everybody's gotta get the heck out of here.
Gary, you're crowding me too.
Hey, what the heck's going on here? Whoa. Whoa. What's going on here? Man, we're in a new bowl. What was that all about?
Whoa. What's going on here? What's going on here is your rear end is still in my face.
This is ridiculous.
I'm in the way.
Yes, you're in the way. Everybody's gotta get the heck out of here.
What was that?
Hey, move over. You're crowding me.
I'm in the way?
You're crowding
No,
me.
you're in the way.
This is
Everybody's gotta
ridiculous.
get the
It's
heck
so
out of here.
crowded in here. You're crowding me too. Man, it's cramped in here. Dude, move over. I can't. Jim's squishing me. No, I'm not.
What's she doing? What's that thing?
Oh, hey, what's she doing?
What's going on?
Hey,
What's that thing?
Okay.
What's that thing?
I wonder what she's doing. I don't know. You probably shouldn't ask me because I don't know what's going on. Wow. I get it. She's making a popcorn string. Hey, that's pretty cool. Hey, whoa, what the heck's going on here? Finally some room to move. Hey, where's she taking Jim?
Oh, this hurts. Oh.
Would you two shut up? Jeez, the things a guy's got to do to get some peace and quiet around here.
What? Hey, close the door. Hey, whoa, hey, what's going on here?
Hey,
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Whoa,
What,
dude.
okay. What's she doing? What's that white stuff? Hey, what's that? What's that
It's
powder?
so fluffy.
Look at it. Hey,
Guys, what the
where's
heck?
Steve
Hey,
going?
hey,
Put me down. Put me down. I don't
Hey,
like
stop
this. Where are they taking Steve? Put me down. Quit swinging me through the. Huh?
Oh my God! No, he just killed Steve! No, not me! No, I'm too young to die!
That's it. I'm out of here. I'm jumping. I'm jumping.
No, don't do it! No, don't do it!
Don't jump.
Oh no! Make her stop! She's a killing machine!
Hey, what is that?
Hey, Peter!
Hey, I wonder what that is. I wonder what's going on
what's
here.
going on.
Wonder what that thing is. What's that stuff? Look at it, it's bubbling. It's bubbly. Hey, whoa, where's Steve going? Hey, what are you doing? Ow, my eye. Ow, stop.
Oh, look at him. Look at him, he looks so silly.
Hey, Steve, pink's a great color on you there, buddy. Shut up, Larry.
Ah, Steve.